Games and sports play a crucial role in school education, contributing significantly to the holistic development of students and their future career. They promote not only disciplines, the spirit of sacrifice, but also foster social interaction and camaraderie among students and others. Recognizing the significance of games and sports in the overall well-being of students, Heritage Convent is organizing an 8-day-long non-residential summer camp from 19th May to 26th May at Arena 5x9 Uripok. Engaging in games and sports instills valuable life skills such as teamwork, leadership, personal and social responsibility, and also empowers competitive spirit and self-control.
What is your name?
My name is Lieutenant Lily.
What is your name?
My name is Helen Lily. I'm from Grade 8.
Why are you here today?
I'm here to participate in the summer camp.
How is summer camp today?
The summer camp is full interesting with badminton, several chess.
Moreover, games and sports can improve academic performance by boosting concentration, reducing stress, and increasing a balanced lifestyle. The summer camp provides a valuable opportunity for students who have missed the chance to engage in physical activities due to the ongoing turmoil in the state. Heritage Convent hope for active participation from all the students in the state and make this camp a successful one.